I thought X monetization was going to change everything for me, but surprisingly it didn't. Oh yes, it did, but not in the way I thought, because all my earning on X since I was monetized to present day will make you cry. If I show you my dashboard, which I will show you in this video, I'm sure you're going to cry for me. If you put in the work I put in, the energy I put in, the consistency, the commitment, and everything I put in into my account on X, and you come out with what I'm about to show you on my dashboard, trust me, you are going to cry out. You won't cry for you. Yes, I just had to let it all out. And this is a disclaimer: X monetization is not the same for everyone. What X pays A is varies from what they pay B, so everybody does not earn the same thing on X. So I am speaking based on my personal experience, not for every other person. So I just had to put this disclaimer out there. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your word. This is Amogo's Concept and I'm back with another information. If today is your first time of tuning in, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this news. So here's the background story. When I first got monetized on X, okay, let me take it back a little bit. When I joined X fully was during the election period of 2023. That was when I joined, and my main purpose of joining X that period was to lend my voice to support my preferred candidate at that time. Okay, so we're there trying to build the account because my account was very small and I needed to grow that account so that my voice will be heard on X. And you know, I started. Luckily, I also met like-minded people who support the same candidates that I supported at that time, and we started growing our accounts. And at a point we got an information that Elon Musk has bought X from the previous owner, and before you know it, the monetization program started and we started working towards the monetization. You know, everybody was working to monetize their accounts, and luckily and gracefully for me, my account got monetized. I got monetized and I was praised, I was hyped. It was a big deal, when I got monetized, because it wasn't easy getting your 5 million impression, getting your followers, the required number of followers, and also monetizing your account. All this process of monetizing account was very difficult as at the time when I monetized my account, but I did it. And when I'm finally monetized, I was so happy. I imagined big numbers, high payouts, because I saw all those things on the internet, people that monetized before me, and also some international people that use the account. So I imagined all those things, but at the end of the day, when the first pay, so this is my dashboard. This is my dashboard. This is all the money I've earned from X. First, I got paid $39. This is my very first payment on X. Then I got paid $13. I got paid $58. It was when they paid me $400 and something dollars. They suspended my monetization. They paused it. Okay, so if you notice, the numbers keep reducing, and there are times that you get skipped payments. This is really discouraging, I won't lie, because it was not what I expected. I really expected more. I had high hopes on X monetization, but it didn't work out the way I planned. It really didn't. But you know what? I am grateful, because even if the payment is tiny, they represent something bigger, because every cent that was paid means someone watched, someone supported, someone loved my content, and to me that is priceless. If you're thinking of starting on X or any other social media platform, don't let the money be the only goal. Okay, because even if the earnings are tiny, they make you cry, let passion lead. Okay, let the small wins fuel you. Do you understand me? The community, the small wins, okay, and the journey to your desired end, that is all that really matters. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching my video. I really appreciate you. Thank you for always supporting this channel. Thank you for watching up until this time. I will see you again in my next one.